Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yesi, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be playing with the brand spanking new palette from Tatcha, which is this beauty right here, which is the Rose palette. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. We're going to recreate a look, and then towards the end of the video I am going to be sharing some of my thoughts. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Alrighty, so today I'm going to be playing with the new eyeshadow palette from Tatcha. This is the Rose Dimensions. Yeah, this is the Major Dimensions 2 Rose Eyeshadow Palette, which this is the packaging right here. It's so reflective right here, and then it has the border, as you can see, which I think it's a pretty nice feature. That way you can distinguish from this one and the other eyeshadow palette. And this is the beauty right here. How pretty are all these tones? Like, look at that. So beauty. So beautiful. Such a beauty. So today I want to play with this palette. So what I'm going to do, I definitely want to play with the pinks. But, alrighty. So far, I have my eyebrows done. I used the Anastasia Brow Wiz and the dual brow powder in Ebony. And then I primed the lids with the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre, and I lightly set that with my MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. So that's all I have so far. Now I'm going to get into the eyeshadow, and I think I'm going to go into, let me get a blending brush, and I'm going to use the Morphe x Lucky Charms brush in LC3, which is this blending brush right here. Just a simple blending brush, and I am going to go into the color. Let's see if it has, no, it doesn't have the shades in the back of the palette. Okay, so the color I'm going to be using is Amore, which is this pinky tone color right here, and I'm going to use that all over the crease. Ooh, so pigmented right off the bat. Very pigmented, as you can see. Alright, I'm going to get another fluffy blending brush. This is the Morphe x Mickey and Friends brush. This is in MM4. And I'm just going to, with no additional product, I'm just going to blend this out right here. Actually, I'm going to grab the color, what's it called? Crush, which is this light pink shade right here. And I'm just going to grab a little bit of that shade to help blend this edge right here. Alrighty, so that's what those two colors look like. Now I'm going to add the color, let's see, Devotion. So I'm going to add the color Devotion, which is this color right here, and then maybe Passion, not sure. But I'm going to add that color Devotion to this outer part of the crease right here. Such a pretty color. They all are. I'm going to go back in with my blending brush and just blend everything out. Alrighty, that's about as dark as I want to get. Just because I have to get ready for work, and I wanted to try the palette. So now I'm just gonna apply a glitter glue, and I am going to go in with one of the eyeshadows. So I'm gonna be using the Too Faced glitter glue. Just this baby right here, and I'm gonna apply that to this inner part of the lid, to the this middle part right here. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with, let's see, I kind of want to go in with Lust or Romance. So this this shade right here is Lust or Romance. So it's one of these two. Lust looks like it's a dual chrome, because it's like, I think it's pink but yellow. It's pink and gold, sorry, not yellow. I'm gonna just go in with that one. That looks pretty different. So yeah, as you can see the shift. Pink and gold. Pink. So I'm gonna use this all over the lid, and I'm just gonna use my finger. I always do. Oh my gosh. The color's so pretty. Wow, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Can you see how beautiful that is? It's gold with a pink shift. That is so pretty. I'm gonna go back in with the e.l.f. the J1 brush to apply that color Devotion. So this color right here. Going with the blending brush. So pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this eye, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so this is how it looks with both eyes done. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to do a liner, apply lashes, and do the rest of my face, and I'll come back to show you the final results and give you my thoughts on the palette. So stay tuned. And I'm back. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? I can't scream that loud because my kids are sleeping and I don't want to wake them up, but I am so excited. I love this color story, and I love this palette. I really do. You know, pinky tones are my vibe. I really do enjoy any pinky tone. So yeah, this So again, this is the palette right here. As you can see all my fingerprints on the palette. That's the only thing I don't like, just because I like to have mine, you know, nice and clean, and you could definitely see all my prints on them. But besides that, which is no biggie because I can clean it, I do love the color story. Now, is it something innovative? Probably not. I can give you a few eyeshadow palettes that look similar to this, like the Huda Beauty Naughty palette, or the other Huda Beauty, it comes in a light, medium, and dark, and I can see these shades in those palettes. However, the formula is completely different. That, yes, but I do enjoy Patrick Ta's eyeshadow formula. They blend out so seamlessly, and the shimmers, they're so, I have no idea, but I think this is, I can't, not that I don't have any idea, but I can't explain how beautiful and sophisticated they look. I loved his first eyeshadow palette. That was a favorite for like 2-3 months straight. That was the only thing that I was the only eyeshadow palette that I was using, because the neutral looks that I was creating were so beautiful, and the shimmers, like I said, they're just so sophisticated, so delicate. And you know, when you go outside and the sun hits it, it's like it's just out of this world. Let's see, I have his other palette right here, so I'll show you what they both look like. One is definitely more warm tone and full of browns, and the other one is more pinky tone. So let's see, how am I gonna show you this without blinding you? Okay, so here is his first eyeshadow palette right here. And this is the new one that he came out with. So as you can see, there's a difference. Like, these are neutral tones and browns, and these are more pinks right here on the side. Also, something to know is that this is vegan and this is not. I guess because of the reds, but yeah, this is not vegan. That's something that I did notice. And also with the packaging, the first palette doesn't have the border like the neutral does. I'm trying to show you without blinding you, because with the reflective packaging, it's kind of hard to show. But I do like that I can differentiate between the two because of the border. So I kind of like that little touch. And for today's look, besides using the rose palette, I did use his blush palette, which it's the same as the first palette. Oh, and these blushes are so beautiful as well. Actually, let me show you this way right here. And I used the color She's a Doll, which is this pink color. So first I applied the powder, and then on top of it I applied a little bit of the cream, just so it can give me like a nice glow to my skin. And what can I say, it's just beautiful. I love the look that I created. It's so delicate, it's so pretty. So yeah, those are my thoughts. And also the palette was $68. I got mine from Sephora as soon as it launched. And I thought I was gonna get my palette really late, just because, you know, Sephora's having their sale. But no, I ordered my palette on Friday when it launched, and I got it Sunday. So I'm pretty excited that I got it so quickly, that I got it so fast. But yeah, those are my thoughts on the eyeshadow palette. I do plan on creating more looks using the creams and maybe the reds in the palette. So yeah, I just tried to do something, you know, soft and delicate, because I am getting ready for work. So yeah, more to come. So well, I hope you enjoyed today's eye look and mini review of the Patrick Ta Dimensions 2 palette. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.